Hello, and welcome back to the next episode of the Halo Lone Wolf series. This one is going to be the Halo 3 ODST mission for Kizingo Boulevard, obviously including the little segment of the Mombasa streets before that, as you can see. I also have me some Thin Mints that I've just had sitting in my fridge for fucking forever, and I have some tea as well, because I'm mildly hungry, but I just ate breakfast a little bit ago, so I'm just gonna have a snack. Hold on, I didn't even see what that was saying. I just kind of started pressing A repeatedly. Can I go back in here again? The answer is no. The answer is yes. Oh my god, I can go in here infinitely. That's fucking fantastic, man. Alright, we're gonna look around this area real quick. Oh, there's apparently this even shows me where enemies and stuff are. Awesome. I think if I go... Oh, there's a shield wall there. Alright, and I believe I came through that door, so I need to be going this way then. Goodbye. Thin Mint. The hell was that? Hi. What is this? This looks like something important. That looks like something that will open up later, but I don't think I've ever been in there before. So not sure what it's about. Unless I can go in through here. Well, I can go in here at least. Door over there. Oh my lord. Fuck you. I was getting stuck on just random shit. Damn it. Alright, I was getting stuck on that. No candy. Fuck off. That one's just running off into the abyss, so just gonna leave him be. Oh, hello. Fuck you. I feel like one of those will be a terminal later. Because you're not able to get all of them just off the bat, mainly because you can't get to a lot of them. A lot of the areas just stay blocked off until later. But some of them don't appear until later in the story as well. Fuck you. Pop, pop. Pop and grunts. This right here can be one as well. I hear a phantom. Do I know where the phantom is? Ain't got a clue. Oh, am I supposed to go that way? Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Can I go in here? No. Oh well. Through this door. Oh, this area looks promising. I do also recognize this area as well from, it should be from the mission we're about to be doing. And I think this waypoint is trying to take me towards where the end of the mission is, I believe. Yeah, and there was one terminal down there. I don't think I'm going to find any more terminals up here though if I look. I can take a look around. Hello. Goodbye. That leads to where we just started at. That right there was the other terminal that I got earlier. That was number 3, I believe. And then number 2 is down there. Okay, so we're just going to continue the way that it's wanting us to go. This door's locked? Yeah, it is. What is over here? Most likely nothing, but let's find out. There's a shotgun. And I can't go in there either. Cool. Checkpoint done in this empty hallway. Let me see. No. No, I'm good right now. Thanks, though. Nope. 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 Also no. Another one. Why are you... There you go. Did you just not care about that first shot I gave you? Oh god, sniper. Oh, there's a terminal right there I can see. Oop, hello. Fuck you. I believe there's going to be more snipers in this area as well. I do need health now though, so I'll have to pick up the next one I see. I'm going this way to check for any terminals. I don't know if you miss any terminals as you're walking through here, I don't know if they become unavailable until you're done with the main game. Or if you can just go get them at any time. But I'm going to try and get as many of them as I can right now, and hopefully not miss any. But, you know, that's not guaranteed to happen. For multiple reasons. One, I don't exactly remember everywhere that I've been. Oh, hi. Okay, well, awesome. Fuck off. I'm very low on health for this. Hello? That one is dead. And I think that's the last one there. At least I really hope it is. There. Now I need a pistol. Alright. I am mostly good. Oh, there's health right there. I'm gonna grab that too.
Fast, accurate diagnosis.
Thank
Want
you.
your money back.
Oop, there's the terminal. Glad I came over here. Yum. What's with the funky music? Alright, nothing else this way. Check the map real quick. I think right here is where I saw the other one. Oh, there's another supply glass. Supply glass? Supply glass, yep. You know, now that I'm thinking about it more, I think that there might be a Easter egg related to getting all the terminals before you hit, I think, the second to last mission. Because I believe if you get all of the terminals up to that point, you'll have a fuck off. Yeah, you guys leave me alone real quick. I'll come kill you shortly. I'm trying to find where I lost that first one that I saw, though. Because I saw that one terminal, don't remember where it is, though. Is it right here? Yeah, I think it's right there. So I gotta go back this way. Okay, so I do have to kill these dudes. Fuck you. Hold on, I saw another one. Where'd it go? Is that it? I think that's it. I'm gonna take your... Oh, actually, I'm good on plasma right now. Plasma's good. Hold on, I have to open my cookie bag a little more. Yep, right here. So I believe this should be terminal number 5. I'm tempted to say there's going to be 6, I mean not 6, there's going to be 3 terminals between each thing. That's not the one I want to look at right now. There's another one back this way though. I also need to be going that way, so we're gonna look around here real quick a little more, just to make sure I'm not missing a terminal. Okay, that freaked me out for a second. Oh, there's another thing. There's so many of these. This is fantastic. I didn't know there were all of these around the world. Like, I noticed them before, but I didn't know that was like something I could actually interact with. And there's people over here. Can I get in here? Oh wait, how are there people back there then? How do I get in there? Oh, is it through that first door that I'm supposed to go through right here? Or is it right in here? It's not here. I can't open this. Nope. Yeah, it should be... Actually, I ain't got a clue where they are. They're somewhere back there, but I don't know how to get to them. Looks like this door. Nope. Back here. Nope. Okay, well. Let's get on through this door. Eat another cookie. Oh, this is it. Cool. Get up here. Ooh, what's in here? Alright, this is interesting. What's in here? Why are there just a bunch of shotguns laying around the floor? Oh my lord. Alright then. Well, there's that problem solved. Sorry, dudes. Oh, look, a dead elite. I'm sorry you died as well. We were friends. Or going to be friends. I can't go through there either. Can I go through that one? This might just be an area for me to go to kill those two. It doesn't look like there's anything else in here that I can do. Over there and over there. Awesome. This door? Yep. And then all the way back through here. Right here. Open, thank you. Ooh, right. Oh, are all of these just gonna be the same? Just some snipers and then the silence pistol, silence SMG. Not that I'm gonna complain with that, because that's two of those are pretty good at least. I'm sorry, but what do you mean I'm getting a score of 0? Like, what the heck? Carbine over there, that's fine, I don't really care about it. Alright. That's that problem taken care of. I really feel like there's going to be some snipers in this area that I gotta worry about. Oh, there's that thing though. Alright, invisible dudes.
Roll a grenade!
Die, please. Thank you. Oh boy. And you're dead. Alright, doesn't look like I need health yet. I'm still expecting there to be a third thing. A third terminal here. That's close there. Neither of those are one. Ooh, what was that? I just heard something. On the roof? I heard a jackal. I don't know where I heard it from though. Plasma grenades here. And another dead elite. I really wish I could sprint. Anything else up here besides this sniper that I'm not going to take? I know I need to go up there, I think. Maybe. Is that a hunter? Shit. That is 2 hunters. I don't really have a shotgun to deal with them either right now. That's unfortunate. Ooh, there's one. I just barely saw that one. Hello. Is that a shotgun? I really hope so. That'd be convenient. Oh, and it's Buck's pod.
Great.
Cool.
I'm stranded on the wrong side of the bridge in the middle of an alien invasion, and I just pissed off the only person willing to help me out.
Here we go. There, if you want to listen to those, you can listen to them on your own. Well, here we are back in Tayari Plaza. Or Tayuri? Tayuri? I think it's Tayuri. I actually don't know. Yeah, looks like I can go this way and that'll be fine. So that is 6 terminals now. And I saw something up there, I don't know what it was. Oh, well, there's this. Oh, God. Right, that's dead. Ow, stop that. Okay, there's a fucking Jackal Sniper 2 now. Can I go in this building? Cannot, unfortunate. Oh, hi. Fuck you. I'm gonna take your gun though, since my plasma pistol's out of ammo. Thank you. I appreciate your contribution to my continued survival. What the fuck? Oh god. I actually killed him. Cool. I didn't think I killed him. I keep trying to zoom in with the left trigger, and that's just throwing grenades infinitely. Oh boy, that's not good. Ow, shit. Yeah, I fucking shit. Alright, let's get rid of this thing. Shit. Alright, that one is dead. Gonna take your carbine. Fuck you. There's another camo brute somewhere, don't know where he is though. God damn you. Ow, what the fuck? Did I just like shoot circles around that guy's head? I unfortunately do not have very many options right here. I guess I could just try ignoring everything, but where's the fun in that? Oh, well, you're convenient. Is there a fucking sniper right there? Yeah, there is. Ow, shit. Alright, that didn't work either. I don't think that was a sniper either. I think that guy just has a carbine. Also, oop, I think I just saw him. Yep, there he is. legit. Don't have to worry about that one anymore. Oh, god damn it. Where'd the other one up here go? That one's dead. That guy just threw a fucking light bomb up there for some reason. I still have to kill the fucking... Oop, nope. Oh my lord! Hi. Didn't know it was right there. Let's go this way then. Goodbye. Ow. Stop that. Right here, I'm guessing? Is this where I'm supposed to be going? I think so. I got a loading done, and I should be getting a checkpoint right now too, so... Oh, maybe not a checkpoint. Alright. And, some grunts out there. I still need a new pistol. Oh, that's a brute. I don't want to shoot you.
Need immediate medical assistance? Choose off the can.
I don't think I need medical assistance right now. Yeah, no, I don't. I'm good. Yeah, you guys just do your thing up there. There it is. That's where I need to be going. Get me up here. How do I crouch? Left stick. Alright, up this building. I should be able to get in just right here, right? No? That door? Or do I have to go to are you gonna make me go to the other side? You are, you're gonna make me go to the other. Oh, sweet! Fuck you. Well, that's wonderful. Ooh. Is that a terminal right there? Yes, it is. That is a terminal. I'm gonna go grab that. Okay, well, this is number 7, I think. There we go. Check nav data for supply cache. Ooh. Overheard. Find the 8th audio log. Okay, I guess that's number 8. Cool. Oh, is this where I'm supposed to be going? Is this the thing? Open? No, no open? That's fine. Right here? Does this door? Yep, this door opens. Cool. Are there any health kits in here? Because I need some. Give me El Healtho Kitto. Up some more, and should be right out the store. Yep. Give me a grenade, because why not? There's a assault rifle, which isn't super helpful, and I still only have 2 on this. Alright, inspect Gostert. Eat a cookie.
Where's the rest of your team, trooper?
Scattered, dead, I don't know.
That's too bad. We're gonna need all the men we can get.
That is not how I got to kills. Alright. 5 engineers, 15 jackals, 24 grunts, and then 15 brutes for this little section of the streets. Then on we go to kill a bunch more people.
the fight at?
Take a guess, genius.
Son of a gun!
Want to live? Get your ass out of the street!
Wait for me!
I think that if I want to live, I'll just take your fucking tank. Or that one back there.
Who's got the big
Get to the Scorpion tank, Trooper, before the Wraith takes it out!
Working on it. Got the one big gun behind me. And now I also have a big gun, so fuck all of you.
Knock 'em dead!
I just killed one of my Marines, didn't I? Hey, fuck off. Damn it. Didn't destroy that one. You can't destroy phantoms in this game as well. Goodbye to you. Why are you alive? Fuck off. Is that Wraith dead? That Wraith is dead. Cool. Alright, well that guy's dead. Cool. How is it that one laser kills these tanks, but it takes 3 fucking tank shots to destroy them?
Ah, good work, Trooper. Covenant's been rolling us back block by block. Every Marine in the city is heading for a rally point near the Naval
go.
Intelligence Building. You ought to come with us.
Sure, as long as I get to drive the tank.
Oh, and there's one right there. Or there was one right there. Alrighty then. Yeah, you wanna step out? Wanna step out real quick? Like that? Dumbass. Goodbye to... Oh, someone back there's alive. Alright, don't know who is alive back there, but they're dead now.
Look out! There's more!
How are you alive? Okay, goodbye. Let's not deal with that. So we get a tank for pretty much the entire mission, except for like the very ending segment. How are you alive? You're still alive.
It's gonna blow!
God damn it. Yeah, fuck you. Get off the roof, please, and leave them to be.
Far corner of the next plaza. It's packed with Covenant, Trooper. Once you commit, don't stop
Oh
moving.
boy. What in the hell? Alright, none of that. You know, I'm gonna need a new fucking tank. Oh, hello, I see you. Now I don't. Yeah, get out of that. Yeah, see, you shouldn't have done that. Why are you alive? Fuck that guy. I know I'll have an option to get another tank shortly, but it's gonna be a little bit still. Hello. Okay, that didn't work. Well, that did. Do I remember where exactly that other tank is? No, not really.
Everyone pile on. We're pushing to the rally point.
I spotted a whole column of hostile armor headed in that direction.
Don't worry. This ODST we got, he's an artist with high explosives.
You are correct. Ah, hello. Okay. Let's not die to all the fucking turrets. Fuck you. guy's dead.
Get to cut a blow.
That guy's dead. Ah, shit. Dead. Dead. Fucking not dead somehow. Now he's dead. I'm pretty sure one of those guys just fucking pistoled him to death. Yep, there's that other tank. Goodbye to you. Blow up. There we go. Dead tank. Dead fucking not close. Oh, that's my end. I'm alive.
That better be all of them.
It is. It really is. It's not. Now it is.
Boulevard. Fastest way to the rally point.
Well, I'll be there shortly, but I'm grabbing this new tank first. And I have a rocket launcher apparently. Cool. Fuck you. Are you alive?
Cover your ears. Changing mags.
Ow. Fuck. Okay. I don't know how that happened. One more cookie. There we go.
Hey, everybody, give him some room.
Alright, I thought there was going to be a sniper up there again, but I guess not. Oh, there goes that guy. Hey, if one of you want to use this tank, have at it. Man, I'm in a new tank. I'm in a nicer tank even. That's fine, you go ahead and drive that. Ah, there you are. Fuck off.
Kizingo Boulevard. Fastest way to the rally point. Placing a beacon on the door. Let's move, trooper.
In we go.
Turret's hot. Ready
Hey, it's
to fire.
Dutch.
Relax, Marine. Wait until they're in the kill zone. Ghosts. They'll see me for sure.
Oh
We
boy.
gotta take the shot. I said hold your fire. Concentrate on the wraith at the end of the... Ah, hell. Backblast clear. Let them have it.
That's one. That's two, apparently. Let's get that wraith out of here. I think there's two wraiths, it looks like. And I'm just shooting the wall here, apparently. Oh my god, I'm just shooting a bunch of trash now. There, fuck you.
Dutch, what are you doing up there?
I'm out of rockets. Kill that wraith.
I already killed it.
Mickey,
Alright, well.
shoot the wraith for God's sake.
I already shot the wraith. What is wrong with you? I'm shooting the bigger targets right now. You're gonna have to fucking wait. Fuck you. Fuck you. Oh, there's another wraith. Okay, there was two. Cool, I thought so. Nope, I missed. How'd I miss? There you go, dead. Now you're dead too. Alright. 93,000 points right now is what I'm sitting at. Bye. We're not able to bring the tank past this point either.
Move it to my position.
Yep, because of these. You can maybe get it up that staircase right there, but you can't bring it through this door,
Mickey, over
no
here.
matter what, so. Hey, have that.
Watch
Fuck you.
the door.
Cover me, I'll scare him out.
I got you covered. Hoorah! Oh, crap! More of them.
Ha ha!
I don't know where that brute is. Oh, well, he's dead now, so we're good. Okay, I need to chill here for a minute. I just noticed how low my health is. Dutch, I need you to move your ass. Ow.
Scum!
There, that one's dead. Cool.
Now relax, relax. That one will have a heart attack in about a minute.
I found him.
Oh boy.
Changing
God damn
mag.
it.
Oh, this sucks.
I don't know where you are.
Over
There's
here.
too much fire.
Let's eat him.
There you go, you're dead.
Reloading.
Fuck you.
It's coming to drop in behind us. They must know this is our rally point.
Terrific.
Come on, we got ammo and weapons on the high ground. Move it, move it.
Sounds good, I like that. Can I go in here? Oh man. That doesn't help. I know I'm supposed to defend this point. I need fucking health though. Which I think there's gonna be some up here by you. Health? Health? No health? Why do none of you have health? What the fuck?
Phantom! Everyone, find some cover!
Oh, there's some health.
It's a
Cool.
damn alien.
Yes, it's a damn alien. Got a pistol right here. I need I need a plasma pistol. I should have grabbed one before I came up here. I completely forgot. Oh, and there's another health kit right there too.
We got any heavy weapons for that raid?
Here, have that. Grenade.
Charge plasma! Stick it with grenades!
Didn't mean to do that.
Kill those
Ow,
Mickey.
shit.
They're trying to flank us!
Well, I'm a little fucking occupied.
Phantom!
Fucking
Everyone,
pato.
find some cover!
Up there.
Phantom.
Come on. Nope, not what I wanted. There we go.
Headshot. We got any heavy weapons for that raid?
Negative! I'll draw fire, you try and board it!
Oh boy.
Kill those runners, Mickey!
Just noticed what kind of weapon you have. There, no weapon for you now. Fuck off. Alright, I gotta board the tank, huh? Damn it. Come on, man, don't move. There. Got that. Oh, my lord!
I have you.
Hello.
I see you. Use a grenade.
Don't use a grenade. Fuck off.
Frag out. Last match.
Yeah, unfortunately. Fuck you. Oh my god, die. Ooh, 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 who's shooting at me? Oh, there's a pistol here somewhere, but I don't think I'm able to get it anymore now. Which is a bit unfortunate. Oh shit. There, that guy's dead. There he is. Shit. Being shot at by something and I don't know what. Oh, pistol. That works. Give me this. Why am I not?
I killed it in the face.
Fuck you.
Let me help.
There, that's done.
He's there.
Alright. I just gotta get on to that wraith, and I have a bunch of grenades as well, so that's good. Ow. Look, fucker. There's someone else out there, but I don't know where they went. Step out. There. You're dead. Oh, okay, it might just be that. It might just be this turret shooting at shit.
Bullet, meet head. Head, meet bullet. Cover me.
There you go.
Reloading.
Alright, let's get down to this wraith. Let's actually go up this way. As long as Dutch keeps it occupied, I can just jump onto the back of it, but we'll see how all that actually goes in practice. See, it didn't go very well in practice. Oh, wait. Okay, cool. Fuck you. Alright, that actually worked. Worked pretty well. Weller than I was expecting. And I think that should be the end. Are we good? I think we're good now. Yes. There's that guy. Why are you not dying?
Reload.
Fucking
That's all of them. Way to go, Mickey. Come to my position.
I'm already here. Let's go. There we go. Cool.
You heard from Gunny?
No. Romeo neither.
No, guess it's just you and me.
My vote, hold up, wait for backup. Thank God! Does one of you know how to use explosives?
Your vote just got overruled.
Oh.
Nah, you're fine. Totally fine. Off to the next mission we go. Shortly. 18 minutes for that mission. We have killed 3 phantoms, a banshee, 4 wraiths, 5 ghosts, 5 turrets, 1 of our own people by accident, 31 jackals, 70 grunts, and then 50 brutes as well. Look at that. We did so good. Look at all the good things we've done. Alright, well that's going to be it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed this, us and our rampage through Kizingo Boulevard. If you did enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. It would mean a lot to me, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.